Hello, Amanda and Ivy. Talking about Sudsies. I have never had to use wash and fold service before. I've used dry cleaning before, of course, but it is just Sudsies is a whole different experience. I felt like family when I walk in there, honestly. And I'm new to the area, totally still getting acquainted to Miami. So to have found the service and this place that when I walk into, I feel like I belong. And the one that I go to, it's on Biscayne, but I know there's a couple on Biscayne. Uh, Everybody welcomes me when I what? It's by IHOP. It I just when I walk in there, they're like everybody's like, "Hi, how are ya?" Like racing to help me. Like it's like a fight. Like who's gonna get her? Who's gonna be the fastest to help her and the biggest smile? But I love it, and Sudsies is great. Like I said, I have used them for some important things, like getting ready to go to a wedding when I needed my dresses to be looking the freshest, or just straight up wash and fold laundry, because I don't have a laundromat at my area, which is new to me too. So I'm so thankful to have Sudsies in my life these days.